back to the channel. My name is Ryan, this is Auto Detour, and if you've been following me for a little while now, you know that I gave away a GoPro Hero 6. Well, believe it or not, the winner, Clayton, is here, and he actually lives down in southeastern Minnesota. So he was up for the day going to a Vikings event, as you can tell, he and his son here, and so we're gonna give it to him in person. So here's your GoPro, Clayton.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You want to let us know what you're going to do with that thing?
I'm going to make some videos with my kids and family and car stuff. And
yeah. So his YouTube channel, he's got a couple of older videos up there now.
They're pretty old.
But Clayton Edberg, correct?
Yep.
Yep. On YouTube, and then at Clayton Edberg on Instagram. I'll put both of those on the screen here. Be sure to follow him. He'll and see what he does with the GoPro here. So we're super excited. Thank you so much for following on the channel. I appreciate it. And yeah, just go tune into Clayton and see what he has to do. So like I said, I'll put his YouTube and Instagram on the screen here. Be sure to subscribe to his channel as well. I already have. I've already watched what older videos he has up there.
Old.
I'm looking forward to seeing what he does with the new GoPro. So he's a car guy too. He's got his Volkswagen here. Beautiful car. He's a step ahead of me. He's already got the nice window tint here. So you went what, 20?
Yep, 20%.
20%. So cool. Anyway, he came up to say hi, and his son is actually just conked out in the car here. Otherwise he would have said hi. There you go. Hey buddy, you're on video.
Hey,
so.
Say hi, you're on video.
Yeah, he is dead to the world.
Long day.
He had a big day at the Vikings training camp. So anyway, thanks again, Clayton.
Yeah,
appreciate the support, and like I said, you have my number. Anytime you're up in the area, feel free to give me a call. And Clayton's a cool dude. We've been messaging back and forth to kind of coordinate this, and he even offered to help me fix my truck, which he didn't have to do, but that's really generous of him. And as we all know, I've already fixed that part of the truck, but next time you're in town...
It's a Ford, it's going to need work.
Yeah, well, yeah, anyway. It may need some work in the future. Anyway, like I revealed in my last video, we're going to be doing a single turbo on the F-150.
Nice.
We're going to call it the Sleeper Crew project. So anyway, next time you're up in the area, give me a call or send me a text, and we'll have you over. We can get together and do something.
We'll do.
So anyway, thank you guys. Quick video today. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, subscribe to Clayton's channel, Clayton Edberg, and just see what he does with the camera. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. We'll talk to you next time.